Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now we can see here the fingerprint animation. This is the waves. I think just to change it, we should first open the settings and then tap to biometrics and password. Then click to fingerprint ID, enter your passcode, PIN code to draw the pattern. After that, click here to fingerprint animation and switch your currently animation to one from this available animations. For example, I'll go with this one. Tap to OK on the right down corner, and now let's lock the smartphone, and we can see that we just successfully changed fingerprint sensor animation on our HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.